Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The price of BTC did pump as we were anticipating, and I'm really not trying to tell you that I told you, but I did tell you. I hope you guys have been enjoying my TA. So anyhow, let me not even like rub it in, because sometimes you need to rub it in. And okay, I'm just going to chill. Woo! That was a great trade, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope you understand how market makers work. So tell me, how many people got stopped out by shorting here? So a lot of people are going to say this is a short squeeze, which I definitely agree with. And you know, being a contrarian is really going to make you a whole lot of money. Trading Bitcoin and alternative cryptocurrencies is extremely easy, provided you know the game plan. And you know, so right now I'm even thinking of taking some profits off of the table, because for the past few days, right, I have been telling you that I'm building my position, and I built my position, and BTC did pump as anticipated. And you know, this move isn't really done, because right about now, trust me, a lot of people are short. A lot of people are still shorting the market. Okay, so what's going to happen is we need to touch the top part of this particular, you know, trading range. So this is one of the reasons why I am inclined to believe that BTC is probably going to do this. If I can find the yeah, kind of lost everything. Yeah, if I can find this brush. So what's going to happen probably tomorrow is we're going to have like a doji or some sort of slight pullback. We're going to do something like that, and then later on we're going to sort of eventually break this particular high right over here and find this liquidity. So when that happens, right, a lot of people who were shorting here, these guys are going to be sort of liquidated. I mean, it's not funny, like, trust me, it's not funny, but I've been liquidated plenty of time, and I've learned from these lessons. So yeah, these people are going to sort of be liquidated, because the price is going to sort of slash through the previous, you know, resistances. Because trust me, a lot of people who've been caught up in shorts, right, a lot of them have got like stop losses set here. They are like, if the price breaks above this particular level, then it's going to be bullish. But that's not the game plan. Yeah, so when they get stopped out, right, like when they lose their positions because they were shorting around these particular areas, right, again, the price of Bitcoin is going to come back in this particular range, and eventually, you know, we are going to drop below these particular liquidity levels. So you see, before the price continues being ultra bullish, right, and going back to our previous all-time, right, everybody is going to get chopped. The people who are longing, these people who were longing here, they got chopped. Okay, they kind of got stopped out, and now the price has reversed and it's back like in the middle. And the people who've been sort of shorting all these areas, they're going to be chopped as well. You know, so by the end of it all, market makers win. And people who understand how market makers operate and maneuver, these are the guys like me who really get to make money. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I don't really want to like toot my own horn and just sort of, but I've been the most consistent YouTuber, especially when it comes to this particular phrase. I didn't even shiver or wiggle or change my narrative and give you bullish, bearish, bullish, confusing, bearish narratives. I just stuck to my plan, stuck to my game plan, and you guys are seeing, you know, everything play out in real time while understanding my analogy. And this is a very bullish engulfing candle, but don't get lost in the sauce. Okay, so right now we have to be very disciplined. Don't get lost in the sauce. And the reason why I'm giving you the way market makers think is so that you can sort of do your moves, you know. So a lot of liquidity was kind of taken here, and this is one thing that really fascinates me about how market makers usually buy, because a lot of people have got this perception that market makers usually sort of announce when they are going to be buying. So most of the times when you hear or rather read news or see news talking about so and so company bought cryptocurrency worth 50 billion US dollars or 2 billion US dollars, or this company is going to be sort of buying, they've already gotten in. They are already in. And the thing about market makers is they always sort of hide their steps. They always sort of kind of camouflage their maneuvers. Just like I've been explaining to you, right? This red candle right over here, this is moments, or rather these are moments when market makers buy. Okay, they kind of force the price to dump, but they had buy orders getting filled up, and by the end of it all, everybody, like the regular casual retail traders, are going to be like, oh my god, this is bearish. But they're not really getting to think that this is very bullish, because the price did wick down, but since there was like a whole lot of buying power, the price ended up closing and reversing. This is the same thing that happened, okay, on 8th June, right? The price did drop consecutively for the past 5 days, but they were buying. And even though we had like red days and there was like selling pressure, right? If we flip over to the smaller time frames, okay, you see this red triangle, right? But that's where the market makers had their buy orders. So even though it did sort of ferociously get sold up, it got bought back up because their buy orders were filled. And you can't really notice this because you're only going to be concentrating on the sell orders. Okay, the market makers are definitely in. And what they're going to do is they're going to drive the price, since they've already bought. They're going to drive the price to the upside of the of this particular trading range. And by the time you guys are going to be flipping and going bullish, they're going to be selling again, and you're always one step behind. You're always lagging, So that's a type of trading mentality that I usually teach. I usually work in this type of understanding, and I always try to think, what are market makers doing? Okay, and then I just sort of try to play along with them, because that's the only way you're going to make money. So just like I've been telling you always, guys, I do have private consultations where I do give these private one-on-one lessons where you can literally learn all the things that I've learned for the past 4 years trading cryptocurrencies, and you're going to be a beast. Okay, I also have a trading signal. I'm trying to build it up. So a lot of you have been sending me emails, and yes, I have collected your emails, and I did ask you a few questions because I wanted to make sure that the people who are going to be joining my trading group, these are like, pretty they've got some experience with trading cryptocurrencies, because I don't want to have like extreme newbies, and then they're always going to end up losing money no matter how good I am. So this is why I have like a questionnaire. I sort of find out how long you've been trading. I just get to like assess what type of trader you are, what type of level you are at, so that I can put you like in the appropriate group. So I've taken note of all the emails that I received, and I'm going to be sort of subdividing people according to their level, because if you're in a group where advanced traders are and you're kind of a newbie, right, you're going to get frustrated because you're not going to understand the lingo, and it's going to be a little bit frustrating for you. So this is one of the reasons why to all the people who sent me emails, I'm going to get back to you, and I'm just grouping everybody like in the appropriate group. So if you are interested, send me an email. If you really want to be able to make money and make these moves and see what's going on as things unfold, you gotta be part of the Beyond 10x private community. That's just how it is. But in case you don't want to do that, regardless, we're still going to make money, because I'm going to be giving you top-notch type of trading information on my YouTube channel. So anyhow, you know, because I just don't want to be promoting stuff. So let me also give you some other strategy right about now. I hope you got your pen, your paper, and everything, right? Okay, so right now you guys have noticed that the altcoins haven't done anything, right? Okay, now let me give you something real sweet. So if we flip over to the Bitcoin dominance chart, right? So you know the Bitcoin dominance determines like how ferocious or rather active BTC is. So right about now the BTC dominance is about 42%. So when that happens, altcoins don't stand a chance, and this is the reason why a lot of altcoins haven't done a whole lot, you know, because they are kind of being squeezed and mushed by BTC's strength, if you know what I mean. So this is one of the reasons why, if we flip over to the BTC dominance chart, right? Where is it at? BTC dominance, BTCD. Yeah, this one. So right about now, as you can see, the BTC dominance is beginning to sort of get revitalized. Okay, so all these times we were kind of dropping as far as BTC dominance is concerned, right? You know, alts were outperforming BTC, but take a look at this. This is probably a change in the BTC dominance and just basically the strength of BTC. So if you really want to like sort of time your entries and exits as far as altcoins are concerned, take a look at the BTC dominance, and whenever we are going to be sort of kind of going down, right, then that would be like a very good time to like sort of get to buy altcoins. So if you guys understand these types of maneuvers and the type of things, the type of metrics or data points that you're supposed to be concentrating on, right, aren't you going to make a whole lot of money? You definitely would. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying you need to email me so that we can get you on track and pretty much give you the blueprint, okay? Because I'm giving you all the fire. Okay, so anyway, I'm just excited because, you know, I got like a lot of hit when I was you know, talking about, okay guys, I'm building my position as far as Bitcoin is concerned. I'm just sort of, I'm bullish on BTC. You guys were like, this is definitely a madman, bomboclat type of man, you know, but you seeing what's happening. So in retrospect, I was right. Yeah. So anyway, I'll come at you with some more altcoin video later on today. And, you know, I just want to like give you some more stuff, some more valuable, useful stuff. So like in the next 6 to 8 hours, I'm probably going to have like another banger as far as altcoins are concerned, because you guys, you know, you are mostly into alts. Okay, so please, if in case you've got any other questions, contributions, and all that good stuff, drop everything in the comment section below. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, because you do not want to miss this goodness. You do not want to miss anything. So yeah, smash the like right now, smash the like button, because it does help me. People need to like find out how awesome we are, how awesome the Beyond 10x channel is. You know, spread the word, tell them that there's a guy here who absolutely sticks with his narrative and he's absolutely a beast. Let them know. Let's make money together. All right, okay. I'll talk to you a little bit later. I was just excited because, you know, yeah, I'm just happy, man. Hope you guys are happy too. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. All right. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.